With so many people constantly advertising to you about the newest and best way to make money, how are you supposed to know what actually is the best way to make money online and who has your best interests at heart? Well, my name is Kevin David, and now that I have over 5,000 students in my private student groups, over 1 million followers, and 3 live events that I've hosted for my students all around the world later, I can tell you that I have literally thousands of student success stories and testimonials to prove that the one thing on earth that I care most about is the success of my students. But let's take a step back and let's talk about how so many of my students were able to find success so quickly because they avoided one of the most common pitfalls that all entrepreneurs suffer from at some point. People let themselves get caught up in whatever the latest fad is, whether that's affiliate marketing or starting a blog or cryptocurrency, that they never actually commit to one thing long enough to really start to find true and real success with it. And I knew that just 12 short months ago when I was working a 9-to-5 job as an accountant, that is exactly where I was. I was constantly researching all of the best and coolest new ways to make money on the internet, and I was dabbling in all of these different things without actually finding any real success with any of them. And I was constantly watching new YouTube videos and learning all of these different things, but I just felt so overwhelmed. I really didn't know where to start. I didn't know what the actual best option was when it came to making money online. And then one fateful day, I was scrolling through my Facebook feed like every day, and I saw this ad on Facebook for a Rafiki hoodie, right? Rafiki from The Lion King. And I know this is a terrible story, but that's how you know it's true. I saw an ad for a Rafiki hoodie and I bought it from a Facebook ad, and that's kind of the moment when I realized that not every business needs a blog, not every business needs cryptocurrency, not every business needs all these other fads, but every business needs marketing. And with 2.23 billion monthly active users, I knew that I had to go all in learning Facebook ads. And since that moment, less than 12 months later, I created a massive business just running Facebook ads for other businesses. When you hear about an SMMA, right, a social media marketing agency, or a Facebook ads agency, or a digital marketing agency, it's all just different words for the same thing. It means running advertisements on behalf of other businesses, right? Because when you learn Facebook ads, you become so incredibly valuable, not only to yourself, right, running ads for your own businesses, your own ideas, your own services, but being able to run Facebook ads for other businesses and have them pay you a monthly retainer to do it. And one of the coolest things about creating a Facebook ads agency is it doesn't have all of the expenses that most businesses have, right? There's no cost of goods sold. You don't have to buy any inventory. There's no shipping costs. You don't have to get an office. You don't have to pay any overhead, right? Literally, you're exchanging your time creating Facebook ads for other businesses. And once you set those Facebook ups the very first time, those Facebook ads, then they continue to run every month, producing more and more results for these businesses. And so yes, there is work up front, but it's an amazing passive income stream because once you set up these Facebook ads for these companies, right, they just continue to run profitably forever with very, very little upkeep. And I want to make it super, super clear that I'm nothing special. A very short time ago, I was crunching numbers as an accountant, working 80-hour weeks, doing a job that I hated, and I felt depressed and sad, and I wasn't happy with where I was in my life. And I remember sitting in my cubicle thinking, is this the end for me? Is this what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life for the next 40 years until I can retire when I'm 65? And in the past 12 months, I've made pretty much every mistake that it's possible to make concerning Facebook ads, setting up a Facebook ads agency, learning the ins and outs, right? I've wasted money on the wrong advertising strategies. I've wasted money trying to make things work when they didn't work, instead of just using what works and using my own creativity and experience to actually really scale Facebook ads in a very incredible way. And I took all of those mistakes and all of those trials and error and all of the wasted money, and I bundled up all of that and all of the lessons and tips and strategies and things that I've learned over the past month creating a massive Facebook ads agency, and I bundled it all up and created the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass. Because when I was first getting started, there wasn't any courses available. There was no courses that taught you step by step how to run Facebook ads, for your own business, how to scale your Shopify business with Facebook ads, how to scale an Amazon business with Facebook ads, and there was no course anywhere that even talked about how to create a Facebook ads agency and run ads on behalf of other businesses and have those businesses pay you monthly to do that. And I think part of the reason that the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass has grown so much faster than any other Facebook course, and the reason that the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass has had more student success stories so much faster than any other course, is because how much detail I put into creating a truly step-by-step course that lays it completely out. So even if you're a complete beginner with zero Facebook ads experience, right, no technical skills of any kind, that you can still take the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass and you can can go from 0 to 100 with a step-by-step blueprint that skips no steps. And I'm talking about over my shoulder on my computer when I show you exactly how to set up Facebook ads from scratch. All of the different and best Facebook ad strategies that I've learned spending millions and millions of dollars on Facebook with my own businesses and on behalf of other businesses. I designed it with one goal in mind, and that was that somebody like me, like I was, could start from 0 with no technical skills, no experience of any kind, and create a full-scale Facebook ads agency. But guys, don't take it from me. I want to show you just a few testimonials and a few student success stories of all of my amazing students like me, right? They with zero experience, no technical skill of any kind, they took the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass and they started a Facebook ads agency from 0 and they took it to 100. So I want to show you guys just a few of those student success stories from one of my live events that I hosted for all of my students in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Let's take a quick listen to a few of my students when they tell you about their experience as beginners with the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass. So I hope to see all of you guys inside of the Facebook Ads family, and let's take a quick listen to a few of my student success stories.
All right, guys, for those that don't know me, my name is Britt. I just got in from Tokyo, and I'm here at NinjaCon 2018, NinjaCon #1, and I plan to be in every single one of them after this. For those that don't already know me, I have a degree in neuroscience. I wasted over $100,000 getting that degree. It has done nothing for me, and I was lucky enough to stumble upon Kevin in about July 2017, started the course, and from July until now, February 2018, I can honestly say I'm about $2,000 from paying off my $126,000 student loan debt.
This is the best place to get out of corporate, be your own person, be successful, and be happy, finally free from all the burdens of corporate and endless, worthless jobs. This is the place to be. My experience with Kevin has been amazing. He's humble, fun, and he knows what the hell he's talking about.
And he really does care about his students. And I think that that is really one of the main things that differentiates him from a lot of the other e-commerce gurus, is he actually does care about his students, and he tries to give each and every one of us as much personal attention and mentorship that we need to actually be successful. So if you really do put in the work and you take the time to learn and actually take the course seriously, it does, impact your life, and it will change your situation. So again, I'm super grateful for everyone here and for just the entire experience. We really are more than just a group, we're a family, and I know that sounds crazy because we're just a bunch of people that met on the internet, but this experience and being a part of this really has changed my life. So big shout out to Kevin and everyone in the group. I love you, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you.
What's up, guys? Casey Goss here, CEO of Viral Launch. I just wanted to thank Kevin for allowing me to come to NinjaCon. Absolutely an amazing event. This guy cares so much about his audience. I think he has so much energy and is just so focused on bringing so much value to his group. This is not a guy who is just sharing, a bunch of fluff to fill content. He's not sharing, what the latest rumor is. This is a guy who is constantly testing everything, making sure that he understands the nitty-gritty details so that he can give you actionable insight that you can go and leverage to improve your business.
Man, he's a genuine guy. You know what I mean? When I hear him speak, even on YouTube and such, it's the things that he was saying, that he was truly trying to help people to leave their 9-to-5 and to, become successful. So it comes across so easily just in video. And that's been the greatest thing. It's just how genuine he is and how he's really trying to help other people.
Just a month ago, I jumped into the course, and I can honestly say that I am so happy that I did, that I made that jump, because I just know that this is where it's at. I know that this is what's going to change my life completely. And I have Kevin and this amazing community that's going to support me, because I've met so many people already, and it is the best thing that's ever happened. And these people will absolutely help me pull through. They will be there for me every step of the way, and I just am so grateful. Kevin, the group, everything, Black Belt Ninjas, this is what it is. This is where it's at.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Drew. I'm here at NinjaCon 2018. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about my experience here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It has been awesome, absolutely amazing. It's literally our ninja family came to life here at Puerto Vallarta. Kevin himself was probably the biggest surprise. He relates to everything that I relate to, wants the same goals, and there's nothing better than being, around a group of people that have similar passions as you, and you want to live that life that you always dreamed of. and not just want to watch other people live. So I made that decision. Kevin just kind of boosted us, gave us encouragement that we needed in order to make it happen. And that's the other thing, being personable. Kevin is all about that. Being normal, being personable, being one-on-one. He will talk to you as if you and I are the only one in the room. And that's what I love about him the most.
Now, as a new entrepreneur, my two biggest hesitancies were fear and time management. And Kevin has wiped that disbelief from my mind. He is my overcomer. He has let me overcome anything that I thought would hold me back.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm here at NinjaCon, and it's amazing. I met Kevin. I actually started watching him on YouTube about 2 months ago, and I just couldn't stop watching him. I literally watched him for hours straight, and I felt like I already knew him, and he's very personable, and he's just a young person like us, wanting to have fun, wanting to make money, wanting to strive and be successful, and I can relate to that, and I aspire to be like him.
This man is incredible. He's literally changed my life, and I don't even take his course. So I can only imagine what he'd do for someone like you. This guy cares about you, he wants you to best, and he truthfully wants you to leave that 9 to 5 behind. So take his course, follow him on YouTube. He's gonna change your life just like he has mine.
Kevin's a great guy. He's built an amazing community. He's helped me along my journey. It's been unbelievable. I just think you can't really understand how helpful and wonderful all the people that he's put and brought together are. There's over 1,000 of us in the Amazon Black Belt group, and it's amazing how much everyone's helping each other. Kevin has personally responded to my questions multiple times. I've messaged him at 10:30 at night and 6:30 in the morning. It's fantastic. He gets back to you. The amount of stuff that he responds to, he's a superhuman guy. Really nice, and he's genuinely out there caring for his students. And coming here to NinjaCon, meeting everyone in person, it's been an unbelievable experience. I would encourage anyone to join the family.
I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot, I need the top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop.